the Brave Dog. Baldo was a brave and intelligent dog in Alaska. Alaska is the coldest place on earth, covered with a thick layer of snow. Sled, pulled by dogs, is the only mode of transport here. Baldo is the lead dog of his sled team. He has to carry medicines for the sick children miles away in Nome. He is the only hope for the children in need of medicine. One day, the weather turned bad. Baldo found himself in the worst storms ever. It had been snowing for days. The temperature went down to -30 degrees. The children were waiting for medicine, but Baldo was nowhere in sight. Everyone thought Baldo might have perished in the storm, along with the other dogs. But Baldo was no ordinary dog. He braved the weather under a heap of ice that protected him. Everyone was happy when Baldo finally reached Nome. Manute, the brave child. Everyone in a Brazilian tribe said Manute was a brave boy. He would perform amazing feats of jumping from heights. He would catch poisonous snakes with his bare hands. He would swim across rivers and do many other amazing feats of bravery. The tribal elders prided in his bravery, and he would not let them down. Once, when he was 15 years old, the tribal elders let him participate in the tribal warfare. He was so keen since his early childhood days. He had combated single-handedly against several warriors and chased them across his territory. But it was different today. He had to encounter death. A stray tiger stood barely a few steps ahead of him. Suddenly, the tiger jumped at him, but Manute wielded his lance at the speed of lightning. The injured tiger turned back and escaped into the forest. The tribesmen honored Manute by beating drums and lifting him on the shoulders. Brave Ahmed. Once upon a time in Persia, there was a poor but intelligent boy called Ahmed. Although he did not go to school, yet he was beyond his age in wit and intelligence. He was sharp enough to understand words spoken in whispers. One day, Ahmed noticed a group of men, all dressed in fine muslin clothes, and looked like wealthy traders. They were conversing something in whispers that no one but Ahmed understood. He understood from their conversation that they were thieves waiting for the night to descend so that they might carry out their mission. Ahmed's heart pounded and his nervousness grew. But he was brave. So he did not let his fear overcome him. He quietly ran to the police chief of the city. Initially, the guards did not let him enter in, but Ahmed prayed. Finally, they let him speak to the police chief. Thanks to Ahmed, the thieves were caught. Abdullah the Brave Shepherd. Abdullah, a poor boy in Kashmir, loved his flock of sheep. He used to wander in the far-off mountainous terrain, shepherding his flock. The herd of sheep sustained Abdullah and family throughout the year with meat and wool. One day, while shepherding his sheep, Abdullah saw some dangerous-looking men armed with guns coming in his direction. Abdullah was not only just wise and intelligent, but also was brave and courageous. He hid himself behind a rock and watched the dangerous men digging trenches. Abdullah quietly moved down the mountains. He had 1,000 questions in his mind. Who are these men? Why are they there? Why do they have guns? Just then, Abdullah saw a military jeep coming. He indicated the jeep to stop and courageously told the officer what he had just seen. Soon, the dangerous-looking men were caught and were found to be terrorists. The army gave a bravery award to Abdullah.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.